Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda, another episode in the front yard. I just finished, actually today I just aerated the front yard and scarified it to help clean up and also pull out the dethatch out of the thatch layer. It looks like we're about to get hit with some rain, so it's a perfect opportunity to put down some HumiChar. I've got some HumiChar here. It's part humic acid, I believe 30%, and around 42% biochar and 27% other ingredients. This bag was kind of pricey online. You can get it from Amazon, and the suggested, let's see, I got 3,000 square foot. This whole 40-pound bag will cover 10,000 square feet at a high rate, and at a low rate it'll cover 40,000 square feet, which is almost an acre. So one bag will cover a whole acre. It is OMRI listed, which means it's for organic use. I'm going to apply this with my Impro, which when you look at the suggested spreader settings on most bags, the Impro is pretty much equivalent with the Let's Go. You come over here to the medium rate, which is 2 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So we come down here to E or 12. My Impro has a numbering system, so I'm going to put it on 12 and spread. Let's see, 2 pounds. I got about 3,500, a little closer to 4,000 really square feet. So I'm going to put 4, round it up to 4. So I'm going to put 8 pounds over this area. So I set it E12 to 12. I have a small mail scale here for measuring mail, so I'm going to use this small strawberry bucket I got from the strawberry farm. We'll measure. It's about 3 pounds 6 ounces, so I'll put probably three of these in my hopper, and we should be good to go at 10 pounds, maybe a little over 10 pounds. So it'll be perfect for the front yard area. Okay, I got my product filled, and I was checking my application chart just to make sure I was mistaken. It wasn't comparable to the Let's Go setting, like I mentioned earlier. But what we're going to do is we're going to put down 2 pounds a square foot per 1,000 square foot. So if we do 2, we need our setting between 8 and 9 on our back here. So I got it set right at 9, maybe just a tad to the left of 9. And also, before we get started, I'm going to do a perimeter sweep around this front yard area. So I'm going to put down my baffle and then close this side over here, this gate over here. Do one complete circle with it, then I open everything back up. I open it up, and then I'll lift my side baffle here. So let's get started. you can see, I've got caught in the rain a little bit. Finished just in time. But you'll see what this stuff does. It's stuck to the concrete now since it's got a little wet. Look at it. It just crumbles, falls apart when it's wet. Thankfully, it doesn't stain concrete. I mean, it's just basically wood ash and humic acid. It'll wash off. It won't stain like iron or anything like that. See if I can walk out here before the rain gets too bad and show you some coverage. You can see it out here in these dead spots that I'm trying to get to spray it around the tree. I'm not sure. I think the tree may be putting off some acid that is killing the Bermuda, but you can see the coverage of it. It's really good. I don't know if you can pick that up on the screen or not, but you can see. Let's see if we can get up close. See these holes here? See where the humic acid, the biochar is falling down in the holes, which is good, which is just what I wanted. Going in the hole, that way when it gets wet it'll explode at least an inch or two beneath the ground, and then also this on top of the ground will explode when it gets wet, and really I believe it'll be more effective, you know, after a good aeration. So we will see. Only time will tell. I mean, you can't put this stuff in and the next day see immediate results. I mean, this is, you're working with soil and you're just conditioning the soil. It's a process that you do over time. I'll walk down here to see where these holes were. You can see really good here. It's a little too, grass is a little too thick to see the holes. Okay, yeah, here we can see the holes. Oh yeah, see, look, this is a real deep plug. See that HumiChar down in there? Yeah, it's way down in there. So it's working perfectly according to plan. And let's just watch this process over time and see how it develops. And hopefully we won't need as much fertilizer in the future. That's what the product promises. You'll need less fertilization in the future because it's making your soil richer and darker, especially on this red clay. I mean, it's so dense and hard. Not very many minerals and nutrients in the red clay. At least that's what I've discovered, because it starts dying if you leave it on the red clay too long without proper fertilization. It'll help. But stay tuned. If you like this video, maybe you learned a little something from it, be sure and subscribe, hit the like button, and hit that notification bell as well so you get notified next time I do release a video. See you guys next time. Have a great day.